Olivia haul. Hi, I'm Paint Me a Pepto, and I am baking some chocolate chip cookies. And I do have a lot of friends, two stallions fighting, a lot of mini ones, but it's a stablemate. So the first thing that you'll need is, of course, you'll need a body to start with your cookies, and you need some common sense. But we have 1 cup of flour, a teaspoon of vanilla, chicken baby, 1/8 cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of sugar and butter. And in the back, we have some chocolate chips, which some horses are rating, but we're not going to talk about that. 1/2 cup of chocolate chips that horses are rating. And if we tell Dominante to move, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and salt. 1/4 teaspoon of salt too. Okay, now we need to start actually making things for everything. And you have to make sure there's no mini ones, but if there are none, you can start stirring. Hi, I'm Alejandro. I am a professional horse popper cookie, whatever, horse turds, whatever. If you are not a professional, make sure to get some help. Pepto is being washed by professionals that are being washed by professionals that are being washed by professionals. So, I'm a professional horse popper. So, we're going to first preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And then we're gonna plop the cookies in. The oven needs to be at 350 degrees, and we're gonna plop some cookies in. Okay, so I already took a little spoon plopper. Now we're going to go and plop it on. Very scary, so again, I'm being washed by professionals who work with paper every single day. And now we have an empty bin for you to look at. We do have 52 seconds left. We do have 49 seconds left. And we're just gonna wait here in dead silence. And here's our final project, I guess, guys. Okay, pause it. Well, I guess since we missed Thanksgiving, we can say what we're thankful for. I'm thankful that I can eat these cookies after.